I don't want to go around. If there's anything I've learned from Sea of Thieves, it's if you don't want to go around the island, you go over the island. What's happening? Oh no. Hey, yo, that's a strong rope, dude. What the fuck? Oh no. Alright, let's see if we can get up here. Come on. Yes. Alright. All we need, I think, is this. Can I? Huh? I don't think I was meant to do that. Well, I mean, it should, but it also shouldn't. But I really wanted to stay in the game. This is so fun. Whoop. What's it doing now? I don't think it likes the fat. It's got 2 ropes. God, I'm a strong man. Or this is just a very, very large coil of rope. You don't think, I don't think I was supposed to be doing this. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Where did I put these ropes? Oh no. Oh no. You're not telling me that. Can't actually disconnect these. There we go. All right. I just imagine this fucking rope whiplashing over the courtyard over here. Just taking a bunch of NPCs out. Yeah, shit stuck. Oh, no. Get back here. Fuck. Alright, cut that out. We'll cut. Alright. Attempt number 2. Let's go, rope. This time, I'll keep my ship moving. That way it'll keep moving. Good thing the sharks are not in the water at the moment, because they're asleep. Only seagulls and birds you can hear in the background. Alright. Not now, bird. I don't want my neck to be bit. Goddamn vampire bird. Alright, ship. Show everyone what you've got. Show me speed. Oh. Attempt number 2. Let's go. Get up. There we go. Oh, I'm out of water almost. Good to know. Um. um. Oh. No. Oh. Oh. What the fuck? I don't think. No. Let's not do that. Alright, let's just sleep in the boat, not in the air. That'll probably be a good speedrun strat though. Hello, birdie. Attempt number 6. I've lost count. I've lost count. Alright. All sails down. Full sails. Drink a little bit of this. Yeet. Alright. Let's go. Okay. Our ship is quite far away, as you can see. Looks even like a galleon in the distance. Let's see what it'll do. Hope the game can run whatever I'm trying to do. It'll probably not like it, but that's a risk I'm willing to take. Because I have to deliver this, and I've been going the wrong way. If I don't deliver this, I'm gonna have a penalty, which I don't like. Alright. Come ship, I summon thee. Is it coming? Ooh. I'm gonna buy some food real quick. I think it's on the way. Yeah, it'll be here shortly. Is it? I hope. This is not the result. Oh my god. Alright, back to the ship. Back to the ship. Where are you going? Ship! Ship, come back! This time, I'll go prepared. Let's make sure I don't fucking starve to death. I won't burst to death. Alright. Well, let's change these sails. There we go. There we go. And then we'll set sail. Just full sails ahead. And now, the catch is, we're gonna take the rope, and the rope is gonna bring our ship all the way to the shore. That way I don't have to turn into the wind. That way I can avoid all of that. Let's go. Alright, grab you. Let's go on to the shore and get her done. Alright, how far is ship? Ship is not far. There's ship. Alright. Ship! Attempt number 7. I've stopped counting. Come! Come to me! Oh, oh no. Oh. What are you doing? I have made a ship orbit to this. Where are you going? Oh. It's a plane. It's got its own fucking lights on it. What are you doing, ship? Special delivery? Okay. Yep. And just like that. Just like that. Easiest game of my life. Alright. Jesus Christ. There's a lot of water in here. Am I lucky that this thing hasn't sunk itself yet? Where are we going? Delivery boy? Delivery tunes are over here or not? I think it is. Yeah. That's right, yeah. Pickups and delivery. Oh no. Oh no. Why? Yep. Yeah, I kind of could have expected that to happen, huh?